Okay, welcome ulit po sa ating second and final game for the week. This is for Team Hub. Playing white po tayo at playing dark po tayo. Yan po ang Team Boleros. This is your Aviation Friend League, Dabas of Flying League. Okay, ito pang Aviation Friend Dabas of Flying League. Would like first to thank the following sponsors: Team Thread the Needles and of course Team LBG Harin Padala. Saan po natin po diyang SPB ARA o Ako Repair Association and PSBQ. Tatapos na po yan. Winner po ang Oryx po dyan by 2 points lang. And now, final game for the week now between Hub and Boleros. Okay, we're just waiting up for the final, for the whistle. And kudos pala po sa ating first game po kanina. Binigyan po siya napakagandang laro. Ubod ang ganda talaga. Walang nag-popcorn na lang ako kanina. Sobrang ganda laro nyo kanina. Between in-flights and of course, yan po ang Team Oryx. Yan. Winner by overtime po kanina po ang Team Oryx over in-flights. It's a good game talaga. Okay, we're just waiting up for the opening whistle. May pangalan na yan? Ano? Junior? Ha? Sky. Pwede. Sky. First game niya is Sky. Dior. Pabango yun, di ba? Pabango yun, Dior? D-I-O-R? Dior Sky. Okay, maganda. Okay, we're just waiting now for opening whistle for the referees. And of course, final game po ngayon tayo dito. The Hub versus Boleros. I think for sure, Lobe. Okay. Okay, play ball. Wala si Nicholas dito, wala siya no. Okay. Okay, first quarter action na to be Puente Padua, San Miguel, Valdez, Dimac at si Nitro. Kabila na po of course si number 14. Di ko mabasa yung mga number. Number 24. Si number 10. Wala si Benji. Wala naka-joot si Benji yata. Okay. For the team in flight. So, playing po white po is Hub. Ang Boleros po is dark. Okay, DMAC 2 points again. DMAC 2 points kagad ang binigay. DMAC 2 points. Binababa po ngayon, double team kagad, ang binanabanatan si JP. Number 14, wala. Rebound battle won by the Black Shirts. Wala pa rin. Rebound si Dimac. Dimac on the rebound yun. And Valdez. Both teams po, kulang din. Siguro walang penalty dito. Hoy! Traveling violation kagad yun si Dimac. Traveling without passport is very good. Bad offense. Okay. Traveling si Dimac po doon. On the road na naman muli po ang Boleros. Ayan na. Number 17. Driving strong. What a pass. No good. Ayun. 29. Wala pa rin. Tap na kay Dimac. Dimac na naman. Binaba ang boli Dimac. Dimac again. Dimac. Wala. Hindi kumapit. Uy. Tumamas Sumobrang kawit. Nice one. 2 points kay Padua. De Padua, 2 points, 8:20 remaining. Nandol De Padua, San Miguel, 2 points San Miguel. Valdez, binababa ang bola. Foul! Padilla fouled by Valdez. Padilla for the inbound. Padilla for the inbound. And now, nice swipe by San Miguel. Valdez, mag-isa si Valdez. 2 points. Basket made for Valdez. Binababa pa rin po ngayon number 17. Right, sir. Salamat po. Nice game po sa team nyo. Thank you po. Inbound. Okay, 2 points again. 2 points. Oh. Boleros na naka 2 points na rin. Boleros. Nitro. Stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa Boleros ang bola. Ailey, number 14. Number 17. Huli. Oh! Foul call by number 17. 7 called for a foul. Dito muli po tayo. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Nitro. And to San Miguel. D-Mac. Valdez. Mag-isa. Quite a pass by Valdez. Kaliwa kanan, kaliwa. Okay, good. Nitro. Binababa ang bola. Form number 14. Lumusot sana. Hindi na ano. San Miguel sumusundot. Hindi umubra. Nice pass kay JP. Hindi nakuha ng JP ang bola. D-Mac again. D-Mac. Binababa ang bola ni D-Mac. D-Mac. Sige, boss. D-Mac again. D-Mac. De Padua. Uy! Double dribble. Inangat mo. Double dribble. 6:16 remaining. JP. Wala. Di ba kailangan naka-rebound? Binabamabol. Di ba kailangan? Di makulangan. Foul call. Foul called on number 17. D-Mac for the inbound. 5:55 remaining. Second lineup. Pakihandaan nyo na po. Maraming salamat po. Valdez. San Miguel. D-Mac. Sumusundot. D-Mac. Uy! Wala. Number 17, JP. 17, wala. 17, 2 points again. Second unit, please prepare po. D-Mac, lumusot, hindi. Nasundot. Balik muli po tayo. Foul called on Nitro. Nitro called for a foul at 5:15 remaining. Alas 8 pa lang, alas 8:30 pa lang. Padilla for the inbound. Okay, number 424. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by the Hub. Ayan si San Miguel. Mag-isa. San Miguel. Tumama. Nasundot palabas. Okay, change pipe po tayo. Sa Hub po, ang pumasok po si Terona, si Perido. Okay. Reyes is the main. Sa kabila po, of course, may bago siyang pinasok. Perido, malakas. $17. Lumusot. Pops up. No good. Tirona, rebound sana. Hindi. Palpal. Foul. Perido called for a foul. Number 26 shooting for 2. Samonte, wala. Second shot Samonte, jumper siya ready po tayo para sa Boleros. Pops up. No good. Tapos Tirona, naka-rebound. Kick pass kagad. Dima. San Miguel, inipit. Bishop pass. Nando, may nagbabantay. Oy, teka, traveling violation doon, sabi. Traveling violation called on Team Boleros. 4:20 remaining sa ating pong first quarter action. Di makulangan. Tirona, naipit. Foul. Padilla called for a foul. Tirona, first shot, good. Ay! Paano nga yun? Dead na lang yung battery. Number 4. Pops up. No good. No good again. JP. No good pa rin. D-Mac nakaribag. Pumitas na ng bola. Nice steal sana. Nice try. Time out now by the Hub. .342 remaining. Laman po ng 7 ang The Hub over Boleros. Dito na. Back to the ball game. And this can play Tirona 2 points. Tirona 2 points. Ito na naman tayo. Padilla. Samonte. Palpal, Tirona. Tirona, nakalusot. Pinasa na kay Nitro. Nitro. Malakas. Tirona naman, Tirona. Oh, Tirona. 2 points, Tirona. Jolens. Ayun, JP. Okay. 15-6. San Miguel. D-Mac. Tinira, wala. Nandun, JP, babating bola. Pops up, nandun naman si D-Mac. D-Mac na naman, D-Mac. Wala. Uy. Out of bounds for D-Mac. Balik tayo. JP. Number 14. 44. Samonte. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Nitro again. Nitro binabambola. Nitro. Oh, it's San Miguel. Nitro. Wala. Padilla, naka-rebound. To Samonte again. Samonte, binabambola. Samonte, Tirona. Nawala ang bola. 1:28 remaining. Di makulangan. San Miguel. Stripped away. Woy! Same ball tayo. Same ball daw po. Di makulangan for the inbound. Tirona. Hello, sir. Nasa labas pa ako. Ano sa pa mag-antay, sir? Mga alas 11 pa, pwede ba? Kasi bukas, may pera man ako dito eh, 100. Nasa akin ng pera. Hindi, kanya ibigin din lang. Sige. Kasi pera nasa akin na, ha? Salamat po, sir. Thank you po. Thank you, sir. Salamat po. Perido, inbounding. Perido, binababa ang bola. Perido, number 3. Pops up. Wala. Hop. JP, 2 points. D-Mac naman. D-Mac pigilan. D-Mac, pinasa muna sa Miguel. Nitro, wala na. Out of time, out of bounds. 15-10 po score po natin. Basa po tayo ng code. May comment po tayo dito. Comment po, may comment. Sabi ni Sancho Matay Sander, shout out Boss Melvin Oryx team. Very, very strong team. Sabi doon niya. Okay, shout out po kay Boss Melvin. Ang Oryx, very, very strong team daw. Okay. I think they clinched already. I think Team Oryx to clinch already the top spot again via win over In-Flights.
Back to the ball game. Ball will be awarded to Boleros.
Boleros ball. Bola po ng Boleros. Boleros. Boleros, Ilumba for the inbound. Okay, Ilumba, Padilla, JP, Samonte. At yung receiver po ay si number 26, Samonte nga. Okay. Number 10, driving. Palpal.
Table tayo. Tatlak natin 40.
Wala. Tirona, hop! Si Daisy. Okay. Hub ball. Ball pa ng the hub. Valdez. Tirona again. Tirona. D-Mac for 3. Pops up. Bang! Di makulangan. 3 points kagad. Pinapilokol. Barts. Samonte. Number 4. Pops up. Palpal. JP nandun. Palpal din. Hop! Si Daisy tumapak sa linya. Balik. Sa abang bola. Pera ka. D-Mac. Valdez. Naipit. Perido. For 3. Ayaw. O, for 3 nga. For 3. Wala. Tirona. Power move. Di siya pass kay Di Padua. Wala. Nandun si Padilla. Perido! Wala na, 2 points. Easy 2. Samonte against Valdez. Nando si Tirona. Tirona naman. 2 points Tirona. Hop! Timeout. Nag-timeout po ang team. Okay, JP Guro, shoutout. Sir, go! Hub lounges? Okay, maraming salamat po, sir. Maraming salamat po. Oh, dumadami na po tayo, mga boss. Sige. Okay, 8 minutes left po sa ating second quarter action to. Yeah, second quarter na. Rep. 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 Second na to. Second quarter na. Di kasi na ano yun eh. Yung ilaw. Okay, Samonte. 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 Palpal. Out of bounds.
White ball.
Sir Masbang is watching. Sir, dangabi po siya, sir. Perido. Perido. Nakalusot. Perido hindi. Valdez. Girona. Team back. Malakas. Rebound. Hop. Okay, black ball. Dark ball. Dark ball. Perido. Perido, binabantayan yung ball carrier. Padilla. Hounded. Again, Samonte naman. Samonte.
14 shot clock.
Pops up. Dukot. Pasok. Dukot. Pasok. 6:50 remaining sa ating second quarter action.
12, 21, score natin.
21-12, laman po ng Siyam ang Team The Hub. Nandun ako ng pick. Perito na ako ng pick. Oops, si Daisy. Kickball. Basketball naging football. Kickball. Di makulangan. Number 28. D-Mac. D-Mac nakalusot. Foul. Swipe. Perido again. Samonte called for a foul at 6:17 remaining. D-Mac take 2. D-Mac dog take 2. First shot, D-Mac. It's out. Second throw jumpers ready para kay D-Mac. Di mo kailangan second throw jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. Okay. In ball. Mali na naman. D-Mac. D-Mac. Oh, Pirito. Muntik na. Pirito shooting for 2.
12 minutes, jersey number 26.
Samonte. Pangalaw ni Samonte yan. At 6:06 remaining. Second quarter action. Perido, pops up. Pasok. Perido, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second Perido, jumpers ready. Pops up. No good. Uy! Nice hustle play. Sir, ano ba sir? Whoop! JP 2 points. Dukot sa ilalim. Pasok. Again, one more time. Okay, back-to-back basket made. Valdez. Perido again. 5:43 remaining. Perido. Ayaw. Perido. Whoop. D-Mac. Dagito magpag-ilalim. No good. Rebound. Tepadua. Stepping on the lane lang. Double team. Padilla, nakalusot, and kickball, sambola, kininibola referee. Okay, half ball daw, white ball. Okay, palit po tayo at 5:06 remaining, 23-6 score po natin. Alex Maris, Juice Babagay is watching. Inbounding si Perido. Mag-game tara. Perido. D-Mac na naman. D-Mac. Number 20. Perido. Perido. Nitro. Pops up. Pasok sana. Ayaw. Nice rebound by Samonte. Samonte binaba ang bola. Number 44. Jason. Jason. Kick pass kay JP. JP. 2 points JP. JP 2 points. Perido. San Miguel. Perido again. De Padua. San Miguel. San Miguel. Running shot. Nako, in and out. 4:14 remaining. Jason. Babagay is watching. Samonte. JP naipit. JP. Palpal. Out of bounds. Time up. Hablons called for the timeout. Score po natin 23-18. Laman po ang hub ng 5. This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 3:48 remaining. 3:48 remaining. 23-18 ang score po natin. San Miguel. Perido. Nitro for 3. Malakas. Rebound. De Padua. Wala pa rin. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the Jeep. Foul. Foul called. Jason called for a foul. San Miguel for the inbound. 3:10 remaining. Perido, binababa ang bola. Perido. Nando sa Padilla. Swiped away. Same ball. JP 2 points. Laban ng 3 ang Boleros.
With 2 minutes remaining. Perido. Pass to San Miguel. Nitro.
Barts, binababa ang bola ni Barts. Samonte again. Number 17. JP. Palpal, foul called. De Padua called for the foul for sure. 28, De Padua called for the foul. JP. 2 shots given kay JP. Wala. 1:21 remaining. 23-20 score po natin.
1:21 remaining.
It's in.
2-point lead. One minute.
Two points, Espiritu. Hindi tumama yun, hindi tumama yung bola sa frame ng court. Good yun.
25 seconds.
And one play made. Bartz and one play made. De Padua, pangalawa na. Fourteen seconds remaining, second quarter action. Pops up. It's out. Hop! Same ball.
11 seconds.
11 seconds remaining, 11 seconds to shoot. Okay, that's it.
Dalawa naman.
Okay, 25-23 halftime po tayo. 25-23 laman po ng dalawa ang The Hub. Okay, bola daw po ng Boleros. Boleros Bull po tayo, Boleros Bull. Boleros on the offense, Team White or The Hub is on the defense. Final 20 minutes of the ball game.
Gitna mo yung bull. Ayos lang yan.
Sigaw lang ako eh.
Balik po tayo sa Monte. 26, 17. 17 na yan, 17. Nawala ang bola. Perito 2 points Espiritu. Okay, nagtatrap yung ano, yung dahab. Palpal! What a swipe! Laging volleyball ang basketball.
Shot clock is 11.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko na-set. Sorry. Di ako kasali. Huwag isa, sinasali niyo ako. Sorry. Okay, back to the ball game. 27-23 at 8:46 remaining. Laman po ng 4 ang Team Dahab. 27-23. D-Mac for 3. Wala. Rebound by Padilla over Najib. Nando si Pirito. D-Mac. Uy. Pops up. Wala. D-Mac. Rebound pero made. Nadikit. Dumikit na sa kutsyon. Tayo lang. Pangalo. Nap. Ay, sa wakas namatay na ace na dito. 8:07 remaining. Samonte. Pops up. Bart. Whoop. Out of bounds. Uy! Palpal! Foul!
Najib.
Pops up. Kapos. Both basket made.
Single tayo. Yung shot clock po natin will be 15 seconds.
Okay, D-Mac inbounding. Valdez. Perido for 3. Nope. Rebound. Tirona. Walang bola kay Tirona.
Same ball.
Tirona, malalim.
JP. Tutok naman.
2 points sa Monte.
1 point lead. And shut up. Five shut up.
Foul.
Ball on Montes. Second personal foul, second team foul, 14 shut up. Substitution. Substitution.
Walang bola. Perito. Tirona. 2 points, Tirona. Again, nawala na naman. D-Mac. Wala. Reed, Tirona, 2 points. .419 remaining. 31-26 score po natin. Hop, si Daisy. Beijing Paul, San Miguel.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Nakapahinga si Tepadua at si Valdez para sa Dahab. Sa kabilaan po, of course, nandun. Tagilawa sila. Pops up. No, in and out. Perito. Foul. Foul called. Foul bait.
Substitution, jersey number 14 foul. Substitution.
Najib, labas muna. Nice suspect San Miguel. Tirona again. Tirona. Wala. Ibig na to. Okay. Tirona para kay Mr. Nitro. D-Mac. Pops up. Nope. Nitro. Good ball. Foul sa baba.
Foul committed, jersey number 44, Jason.
Anak yan.
Second team foul. Second
Anak yan.
team foul, Jason. Nitro.
Tepadua. Hindi umubra. Out of bounds. Okay, sabi ni Jules Mabagay is watching. Okay, thank you.
Substitution.
Sir Alex Ruel is watching.
Go. Substitution.
Perito. D-Mac. Perito. Naipit ang konti. Malakas.
JP, move. Wala. Jason, fight, shoot. Rebound, Palinya. Bitawan. Di ba kailangan na? Nakuha na siya. Foul on jersey number 44. Pangatlo pa siya.
Di mo kailangan 28 shooting for 2. It's in. Lamang po ng 6 ang Dahab. 1:31 remaining. Third quarter action. D-Mac, second shot. Nope. Rebound battle won by the gray shirts. Boleros on the attack. Nice hustle play by Boleros. Hub. Bola pa ng the Hub.
55 seconds.
Binatoy! Perito, wala. Malo. Yung back pedal niya. Nag-back pedal siya. Nag-back pedal eh. Okay, balik tayo. Lena. Lumba. Perito. Perito, malakas. Hoy! Galing ka labas, boy. Galing ka labas, boy.
15 seconds. Five seconds. No scoring pocket tayo.
Okay, final quarter coming up. Final quarter coming up, 32-26. Hub lounge ball. Depado for the inbound. Fourth quarter start right now. Ito na, Perito.
Call jersey number 10, Padilla. Second personal foul, Padilla. Basketball team Makulangan.
33-26. Lamang po ng 7 ang The Hub over Boleros. Dimac second try, pasok. Okay, lamang po ng 8. 9:25 remaining. Pops up. Nope. Dimac again. Foul. Holding foul on Samonte. Dimac on the line again.
Foul jersey number 26, pangatlo ko Ranger.
9 minutes remaining. Pops up, Dimac, kapos. Second throw by Dimac. No good. Dimac. Tirona. Foul. Sa balikat. Nabalikat.
Kapit? Sir, pangapat ako. Naponte.
Basket made for Tirona. Second shot, Tirona. Basket made. No good. Foul.
Lumba. Liston mo, liston. Sintas.
Bisaya kasi.
Jersey number 20. Liston, English. Lumba. Back to Padilla. Ay, tulas na. Uy, tapos na ba? Paul Philip, jersey number 28, Devandra. Pangatlo mo na, sir. Padilla on the line, shooting for 2.
No good.
Lima ko lang na. Pass, tutiraw na. Ajit, 7 seconds to shoot.
7:13 remaining.
Shot clock is 7. 7 seconds to shoot. There's a violation. Reset time, shot clock 14.
Tirona, 2 points.
Basket, Verona. 11:28, up now.
Two points sa Monte.
Here, jersey number 17. Crossover. Rebound. Querido.
Perido. Op. Pushing foul on Najib.
Second foul on Najib.
5:57 remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. 5:46 remaining. JP.
Padilla. Wala pa rin. Sinauda po rito. May foul tayo. Shot muna.
Foul called on Padilla.
Time out. Up down.
Sir Julius, 38-29, lamang pong dahab. Fourth quarter na po tayo, 5:21 remaining. Tok na. Sabi na no, Jeremy Tirona, go! Malkong Joe, Jam Give Tirona. Oh, binabati ka. Tirona, binabati ka ng commander mo. Binabati siya ng commander niya, si Commander Tirona. O game, Sam. O game, ito na. 5:20 remaining, 38-29. D-Mac, thinking 3. Nag 3 points nga. Wala. Ayun. Uy! Uy! Naku po. Brian Dwight is watching. Najib. San Miguel, driving. Naku, muntik na.
Foul committed jersey number 17. Third foul, jersey number 17.
Pops up. No good. Rebound. Nandun. Sina ko po nilabas.
There's a foul.
Pwede ko. Okay. Bisa. Wala tayong... Putok hindi. Putok dito. Shit. 4 minutes na lang. Okay, meron nga kaya nahinto yung laro natin. Na-injury po kasi ang taga Boleros po. Mala. Concede. Okay, I think final score. I think Boleros conceded already. Final score 30-29. Winner po is Team The Hub. Okay. Okay, Team Dapo, final score po natin. Maraming salamat po. Muli po, that concludes na our ball game for this week. And stay tuned again po for another basketball action po this coming Friday and Saturday po tayo sa ating pong ABS Friendly Dub as a Flying League. Maraming salamat. Final score po natin po, 30-29. Lamang po at panalo po ang The Hub. Thank you very much.